Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on simplifying fractions. To simplify a fraction means to reduce it down by dividing the numerator and denominator by the same number. The reduced or simplified fraction is equivalent to the original fraction. That means it has the same value. Let's do some exercises. Write each of the following fractions in simplest form. So we have 4 over 8. We're going to try and reduce that to simplest form. We can see straight away that the largest number that divides into both of those is 4. If you pick the largest number, that means you have fewer steps and you'll get the answer a lot quicker. So we're going to divide both the numerator and denominator by 4. So 4 over 8 equals 4 divided by 4 over 8 divided by 4. And that gives us a half. So 4 over 8 is the original fraction, and that is the simplest form, and it is the equivalent fraction. That is, it has the same value. 6 over 9. We can see by our knowledge of 3 times tables that we divide both the numerator and denominator by 3. So 6 over 9 is 6 divided by 3 over 9 divided by 3. And that gives us 2 over 3. So 6 over 9 was the original fraction. That is the simplest form. 15 over 20. Divide both the numerator and denominator by 5. That's quite easy to see. So 15 over 20 will be 15 divided by 5 over 20 divided by 5. 15 divided by 5 is 3. 20 divided by 5 is 4. That's the original fraction, and that's the simplified version. 18 over 30. A knowledge of tables tells us that 6 is the number that divides into both of those. That's the largest number. So divide both the numerator and denominator by 6. So 18 over 30 will give us 18 divided by 6 over 30 divided by 6, and that's 3 over 5. So from the original fraction to the simplest form. 28 over 49. Divide both the numerator and denominator by 7. If we know our 7 times tables, that's very easy to see. 28 over 49 will be 28 divided by 7 over 49 divided by 7. And that gives us 4 over 7. There's the original fraction, and there's the simplest form. Here we have 48 over 72. Now sometimes we may need to divide twice if the largest number is not evident, and that is quite acceptable. We can see that both of these numbers are even, so we know that 2 will divide into each of them. So divide both the numerator and denominator by 2. So 48 over 72 will be 48 divided by 2 over 72 divided by 2. That gives us 24 over 36. Now, we have to keep going because that's not, excuse me, that's not the simplest form. But we can see straight away that we can divide 12 into each of those numbers. So divide both the numerator and denominator by 12. So 24 over 36 will be 24 divided by 12 over 36 divided by 12, and that's 2/3. So here was the original fraction there. So if we weave our way around here, we're going all the way down to the simplest form. So this video has shown us how to simplify a fraction. And all we do, we divide the numerator and denominator by the same number. And that'll give us the simplest form. If we pick the largest number, we get the answer straight away. If we can't pick the largest number, we saw that in example 6 we just do a few steps, but we'll eventually get there.